let's go.
This one is what? Ginger and
onion.
garlic and ginger.
And ginger.
Okay, garlic and ginger.
Yeah.
All right.
Ginger and garlic.
Okay.
Okay. Add onion. Add onion. Right.
The filling for the spring roll.
Okay. Not samosa, spring roll.
Spring
Or
roll.
boiling
The filling.
potato for.
Okay. We
So
are boiling
drop in a pinch
potato.
of salt for potato. Drop a pinch of salt inside your potato.
Inside the potato.
Yes.
Oh yeah?
Add more.
Add more.
Add more. Add more. This is flavor by adding our hard veggies.
Okay.
You don't want to stay so long on the heat. This is flavorful already. You can perceive it. Add more. Yes. Secretary. Who will more salt? We cook it down, okay?
And you can make it in a large quantity. Then
Of course.
Okay.
Yes. But this one, okay. If you want a harder one, use the wooden spatula. It's also very light. Go on. Off that fan though. Yeah, take it off. It's disturbing our light. Make the light don't enter our body. Turn it to the other side. Season it last. Let us season a little. Okay, I'm starting with salt.
Okay. Which one is this?
Light soy sauce.
Okay.
Optional, please.
Black pepper. So she just added black pepper.
You can actually make it spicy. What did you say? They just added the taste, please.
Please check for taste though.
Please check for taste. Stir.
And you can use the sweet rice or
oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. You can
check
for taste. You can stir to combine properly.
oyster sauce. Thank you.
Stir to combine properly. Stir to combine properly. Then check for tasting. We don't want to over. People should check for this. Is the third time they're checking for taste. I'm not tasting with people.
At least anyway, we
Taste again. Check for taste. Get me sesame oil. Better now.
Yes.
Lighter now.
Yes.
Get us the sesame oil. Finish with this oil.
sesame oil.
Stir to combine properly. We don't want to. So we are going to follow. Check for taste again and bring it down. Turn off the heat.
Please. It's good.
Huh?
so yummy. I don't want to say. Mommy, so yummy.
Okay, it's better that way.
Yes.
I don't taste it for now. One taste, it was salty. Alright, hot.
Okay, it has to drain the.
It has to drain excess water.
Water.
Sometimes there's no water set. It has to drain the excess oil and water. It has to drain excess oil and water, and we need it cold. So spread it very well.
Okay.
Spread it very well. Spread it very well. Spread it very well.